Microphones and your clip, please. Guys, one is Iqbal and one is Allama Iqbal. Compare. Then, or politics on them. Or politics on them. Then or politics on them. Siyasat.
Firstly, all the praises and credits belongs to the only Allah, who is the real monarch, subsidiary, sublime, and the creator of this mortal world. Then, I would like to thank my parents because their love and efforts are running through my veins and include and present in my every breath. Then, I would like to introduce, everybody knows, the favorite and ideal personality, the teacher who is the real skills, or you can say power, who can change the stone to the diamond, and who is the only person who gave me wings to achieve my goal and motivated me. That's why I'm standing here, and that personality is not other than, and is the only personality, Sir Syed Shahid. Tonight, the topic which I am holding is that dam or politics on dam. A very huge discussion topic. If we keep discussion on the topic, I think it might take 2 hours, 1 hour, and several discussion and several results will come on this general discussion. But if I have to select according to the Pakistan, and if I consider my own country, I think so. This is the politics of them, because then we made earlier also, and we with the agreements, and we made, if we wanted to make the agreement, but now if we don't want to make, so we keep doing politics and getting the marks due to this dam, and several politics according to the dispute about Sindh and Punjab, Sindh and Balochistan, or Punjab and Balochistan. So many politics are going on due to this dam, and they are earning the positive and negative remarks according to the votes. Now see, the electricity coal distribution has come, third coal distribution has come in this budget, because government want to get some remarks for their incoming, upcoming election. So I think so this is only on the politics of dam, because dam can be made easily if all will come together. They can make easily as we made this videos together. Thank you, that's all.
You are saying that you want a coal. What isn't come in the budget for making electricity? What coal is more expensive than a water electricity? What if we have, according to your presentation, if we have gain, so why we are not producing the hydroelectricity? Still, we are in the economic crisis. Inflation rate is more high, and you are saying that produce electricity by the coal. We need to have more big machineries to making a producing for electricity from a coal. So why don't we produce electricity from a hydro by the dam, which is the main purpose to produce electricity, man?
Yeah, you must be thinking about today Cartoon Network. That's why I didn't listen to my presentation. What did I say? If there is a politics on dam and you cannot make dam, so how will you produce the hydroelectricity? Even you are producing from 2 dams, you are producing enough hydroelectricity. Now you need one more dam to protect yourself from flood and to make hydroelectricity, which you are never making politics. So you have to take from coal.
You are saying that if we are not able to make a dam, but the dams are available much more. What in our country, if you talk about the our rivers, dams are available. So whether it is the efficiency of our government, they are not using proper even a dam. So whether how can it possible they will use a coal? Once China came in Pakistan and he will say that, and he said, give me your coal reserve and I will give you electricity. Then what Pakistan said? On that time Pakistan even didn't use the coal reserve. Now the coal program included in the budget, and you believe your politician, even they don't even fulfill one promise. place, and you are saying that the coal electricity will come, load shedding will go finish. No, brother. Even they are not able to produce electricity from the dams, brother. How can they will produce electricity from coal mills?
Akash, your buddy, you study, do homework, don't repeat and prototype the story. Which type of you are talking about? How many dams? These are, I'm talking about dam, not swimming pool you will make in home. There are some limited dams here where we are making hydroelectricity from them. And if you say that, make more dam, brother, if dam is as much easy, so how, Kalabagh dam is a dam which we have been fighting for so long. I think so, decade has been passed on this, but we haven't decided yet. So this is the dam which I'm talking about, not swimming pool or something, entertainment thing.
I think my brother is talking about the dam should not be in our country. So man, why we have stopped the dam before the Musharraf government? Why we are not taking the opportunity in our country? So man, you are talking about the politics dam should be in our country. So man, how can we solve the problem in our country? Because we should make the dam in our country, and we will utilize the electricity like more and more opportunity in our country. So man, we will solve the problem in our country. And you are talking about the political dam should be. So man, you are talking about name on you, man. You are talking about.
I wasted my presentation. I didn't got even one question related to my dam. When did I say dam should not be? Did I say? Or you got me wrong? But when I said dam should be, but there is the politics on dam, which you didn't understand. If you didn't understand, you are totally agree with me that dam should be, politics on dam, we should be agree and we should make this dam. So you are agree with me? Come on this side, I will hug you there.
Someone is saying go washroom, someone is saying come, I will hug you. I don't know what's going on in your team. What conspiracy you are playing? See their faces, yeah, they are innocent. See, they are innocent. Believe me or not, yeah, the thief, they all are. Believe me or not, Mr. Lee, believe me or not, really innocent guy. So please don't give him this kind of advice. What someone was saying, yeah, please, you are innocent. Yes, come on, let's go for hair marks. So first, just set a piece. What number you will give to Allama? Oh, Iqbal. 8.895. 8.895. Then, in swimming pool. Okay. 8.93.